Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the ChatGPT network error on your PC browser. First, check if you are using a VPN or proxy connection. Some VPN servers are blocked by ChatGPT, which can cause loading problems or network errors. Turn off your VPN completely, refresh the page, and then try using ChatGPT again. Next, test ChatGPT in incognito mode. Open a private browsing window in your browser and log into ChatGPT there. If it works normally, the problem is probably caused by your browser extensions or saved browser data. You should also check if the OpenAI servers are working properly. Visit the official OpenAI status page and see if there are any outages or maintenance issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until the service is restored. Another common fix is disabling browser extensions. Extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, or translation add-ons can sometimes stop ChatGPT from loading correctly. Open your browser's extensions page, disable all extensions, and then test ChatGPT again. If it starts working, re-enable the extensions one by one to find the one causing the issue. If the error still appears, clear your browser cache and cookies. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Choose cookies and other site data along with cached images and files. Set the time range to all time and click Clear Data. Restart your browser and try ChatGPT again. Thanks for watching.